Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching. First off, I want to say Happy New Year's. I cannot believe that we are in 2019, but I'm going to be the first one to say this is going to be the year where you see all of your dreams and your visions and everything like that come alive. I am a firm believer of putting positive statements out there and see them manifest in your life. So because of that, I decided right before the New Year's that I was going to plan a vision board party for my girlfriends. So it was about maybe 10 of us. They all came over. We got some boards and everything like that, and I wanted to share with you guys the entire process of how I plan that in case that you guys are interested in either creating your own vision board, which I do have an exact video on that, so I will have that linked up in the cards as well as the description bar down below. So I'm going to show you the whole entire process, how I planned everything, the items that I gathered, as well as even just share with you guys a couple of drinks that we made and some food and appetizers. And make sure to stay to the end of the video because I'll talk a little bit more in detail as to what a vision board is, how you should create one, how maybe you should put the whole layout and everything like that. And I'll even share with you guys what's on my vision board and what I expect to see manifest in my life this year. So I picked up 11 of these foam boards from the Dollar Tree. I wanted to go with these instead of just your traditional poster boards because they are a lot thicker, if you guys can see that right there. And like I said, I picked up 11. We're expecting about 10 people, but you know, sometimes people show up even though they didn't RSVP. So I did want to have just an extra. I picked up 2 of these 3-pack glue sticks, and around the house I'll find a bunch of different scissors that we could all use as well. The only thing that I asked everybody to bring were their own Pinterest printouts as well as magazines, just because we really don't subscribe to magazines like that. So I don't have any, I don't really have that many at home. So that is the only thing that I ask anybody to bring, and I will be supplying everything else. But now onto the snacks and drinks, because of course, like, how can you have a party without food and drinks? So one of the first things that I'm going to make is a fruit salad. So I got some grapes, strawberries, blueberries, and then I also picked up a pineapple. So I'm going to start to cut that up. I'll show you guys all of that. And I am loving cookies right now. So I got some sugar cookies as well as chocolate chip cookies as well. I was planning on doing or ordering pizza, but the DiGiorno pizzas were actually $5, so they were on sale. So I got 2 cheese and a pepperoni, and I went with the thin crust. So I'll probably pop that into the oven maybe an hour or so before the party starts, or maybe half an hour, so it's fresh for the guests. Of course, some guacamole, and I just did not have the time to wait for my guacamoles or my avocados to ripe. So I just picked this up, and I'm going to add in an onion and a jalapeno as well to kind of whip it up and make it look as if I made it. So just a little quick trick right there. And then also some chips, because you also, of course, always need some chips to munch on. For our drinks, I picked up some apple cider along with water and regular juice as well. And I'm even thinking about putting some like rum or something like that in there, just to make the whole experience and everything a little bit more fun.
It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay.
Now that we got the fruit salad all prepped and ready to go, now I'm going to start working on the apple cider. We do still have about 2 hours, but I wanted to kind of let it slowly warm up and simmer and everything like that. And then once it's finished, like I guess cooking if you want to call it, I will then warm it up again right before the guests arrive. This is what I have so far. I have about 4 cinnamon sticks in there, 2 apples, and then I'm going to probably add a little bit more ground cinnamon as well. And then all I'm going to do is pour this in and warm it up.
Treat me right. I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do.
from the vision board party, and I did want to share with you guys what my vision board looks like. I will do a close-up so you guys can really get a look. I decided to go more with the collage style because that's just something personally I like, but you can go with just adding pictures and having a bunch of white space, because there were a couple of girls at the party who did that and their board looked phenomenal. They even took markers and pens and things like that and really wrote all over their board, and I thought that was pretty cool as well. And I read up about 2 ways that you can actually create your vision board, and some people say you want to have whatever is the most important to you right in the center, because I guess naturally that's where your eye goes, and then everything else is supposed to be formed around it. Then the second way that I did see is you have everything at the top left corner, because naturally we read from left to right. So you want to have your biggest dreams, goals, aspirations, everything like that right in the top left corner. And then as you flow to the bottom right, that's where, yes, of course you have your goals, because really anything that you're putting on your vision board, you do want to be manifested into your life. But the things that you really want to be manifested, your biggest dreams, your biggest goals, should be in the top left corner. So again, this is preference. You can do whatever you want. I know for me, I kind of did a little bit of a mix. I have like my bigger dreams up here, but then I also do have some big dreams in the middle as well. So if you guys are planning on making a vision board for yourself, you could really just do the same exact thing. So either way, you have yourself covered. If your eyes are naturally going to be drawn to the middle of the board, or if your eyes are going to be drawn to the left-hand corner, either way, your biggest goals are there. Now, how you actually use your vision board, because I know a lot of times people literally just slap a whole bunch of pictures onto their board and that's it. One, you need to have it in a place that you see consistently every single day. You want to basically see what your goals are on a consistent basis so that you remember what you're working towards, because it's more like, you know, that whole saying, out of sight, out of mind. That's not what you want to happen with your vision board. So do not put it behind your bathroom door. Like, put it in your room, or put it in your office, or bring it to work and put it in your cube. Like, wherever you know that you're going to see it every single day, you want to put it there. Then what you also want to do is, rather than just looking at these pictures, you want to associate a feeling towards it. So if you were to purchase that dream home, or get that dream car of yours, or you finally got that promotion on your job that you've been wanting for a really long time, how would you feel if you got it? And whatever that feeling is, of course, you're going to be proud, excited, happy, you know, grateful. So you want to exude that emotion as you're looking at the board. And that is really going to give you that inner fire to go after your goals. And the biggest thing about manifesting your goals is to have gratitude, because gratitude means it's already been done. So if you want that dream job, or you want that brand new car, or you want that new home, you have to act as if it's already been done. So you have to act as if you already had it. So how would that person be? They would be grinding every single day. They would be doing something every single day that pertains to that specific job. So that's how you have to act. Like, it's not like, let me kick back, put my feet up, now I got all these pictures on a board, I see it every single day, I'm staring at it, and all of a sudden, poof, these dreams and goals are just going to fall into your life. That's not it at all. There does need to be hard work behind it. I hope you found this video to be helpful and inspiring and motivating you guys to really make 2019 the best year yet. I really do believe, like, literally in my core and gut, that this year is literally going to be a big breakthrough for a lot of people who've been wanting and hoping and dreaming for different things to be manifested into their life. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
It's quite a